When we talk about cooling a small bedroom, a window AC is enough. But how do you cool a 50-story skyscraper or a massive manufacturing plant? You use a chiller. An HVAC chiller is a high-capacity refrigeration system designed to remove heat from a liquid, most commonly water. Instead of cooling air directly like your home AC, a chiller cools water, which then acts as a messenger to carry that cold energy throughout the entire building. It is truly the backbone of large-scale infrastructure, ensuring everything from human comfort to sensitive server rooms stays at the perfect temperature. Types of chillers and internal components. Not all chillers operate the same way. Generally, you'll encounter two main types: air-cooled chillers. These are usually installed outdoors, like on a rooftop. They use fans to blow ambient air over condenser coils to reject heat. They are simpler to install, but slightly less efficient in extreme heat. Water-cooled chillers. These are installed indoors and use a separate water loop connected to a cooling tower to reject heat. They are the gold standard for efficiency in large facilities. Inside every chiller, four main components do the heavy lifting. The compressor, the heart that pumps the refrigerant. The condenser, where heat is pushed out of the system. The evaporator, where the water actually gets chilled. The expansion valve, which regulates the refrigerant flow. Chiller versus chilled water system. A common point of confusion is the chiller and the chilled water system the same thing? The answer is no. Think of it this way. The chiller is like a massive water dispenser. Its only job is to make the water cold. The chilled water system is the network of straws and cups. It consists of the pumps, the insulated piping, and the air handling units AHUs or fan coil units FCUs that take that cold water and use it to cool the air in various rooms. The water follows a cycle. It leaves the chiller cold, picks up heat from the building, and returns to the chiller warm to be cooled again. It's a continuous, closed-loop process. Benefits and why engineers choose them. Why not just put 500 small AC units on a building? Because chilled water systems offer massive advantages. Energy efficiency. For large loads, chilling water is far more cost-effective than cooling air directly with multiple separate units. Scalability. These systems are modular. You can add more chillers as a facility grows. Zoning. You can precisely control which floor or room gets more cooling, leading to zero energy waste. Durability. Because the heavy machinery is kept in a controlled plant room, for water-cooled, these systems often last 20 to 30 years with proper maintenance. Selecting the right system depends on your budget, the local climate, and the cooling load. That's why consulting an HVAC professional is key.
Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time. See you next time.